That's right, Mr. Beast doesn't have this play button award because it's being made special as part of his Secret Santa Woodworking YouTubers collaboration. And if you want to know the secret function of this YouTube Play Award, you're going to have to stick around to the end to check it out. We're going to start with a 1/2 inch piece of MDF cut to 8 inches by 11 inches. Next step will be to clear coat with shellac, and then we're going to lay a base coat of flat white paint and a top coat of flat black paint. For all the laser nuts out there, this is the Ortur LaserMaster 2 Pro 10 watt diode laser, and the power settings I'm using for this are 4700 millimeters per second for the speed, and the power setting is 37.5. And this is going to take off just that layer of black paint and leave behind the layer of white, which is going to give us the look that we're going for. For the channel logo and also the YouTube icon, I'm using 3mm bass plywood, and the settings I'm using to cut this out are 150 millimeters per second for the speed, and the power is 92.5. With the template taped down, we can go ahead and start gluing up the pieces, and this is a great method to use to make sure that all your pieces are lined up and accurate. If you recall at the beginning of the video, I told you that this play button is going to have a special feature to it. This hole is going to hold a button that's going to be attached to a speaker that will play recorded phrases. You'll find out more about that in just a moment. Now it's time for a couple coats of satin polyurethane before we install the last piece. With the button secured, we can go ahead and move on to recording the phrases for this play button. Subscribe now so your sawdust doesn't suck. Subscribe to the Mighty Sawdust YouTube channel. And then subscribe to the Dad Cave. Don't just make sawdust, make it mighty. I got a package from these guys.
Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's other things that we're doing in the workshop.
And what are we doing this week?
Let's open it. Oh, well, we'll get to that in a second. Hold on. There's some stuff here at the bottom. It's almost like a care package. Check that out.
Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's other things that we're doing in the workshop.
And what are we doing this week?
Very cool.
Friday Workshop!
Hey. Fits pretty nice. Something else. No way. Oh, wow. Okay, this is next level. Workshop goals right here. They have their own playing cards. That's awesome. I feel entirely inadequate right now. Check that out. That is awesome. These are going to be getting some use. Now, this is what I've been waiting for to show you guys. Let's see what we got here. So Friday Workshop, if you haven't guessed, was my Secret Santa, and they made my play button. Oh, check that out. That's awesome. Laser engraved. Look at all that hardwood. Very cool. Huge shout out to Friday Workshop. You guys go check their channel out. They got some really cool videos going on over there, and I hope they got their shirts up and all their merch and everything. You need to go get yourself some of those too. All right, so there it is, Friday Workshop. You guys go check them out. Matt, Dom, thank you for the YouTube play button. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to clear some space here, but we'll find a spot for it. All right, here we go. Ready?
Be sure to connect with the Mighty Sawdust social media pages on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and be sure to let them know that the Dad Cave sent you. Subscribe to the Mighty Sawdust YouTube channel, but only after you subscribe to the Dad Cave.
And only after you subscribe to the other channels that were part of this collaboration. their channel links are going to be in the description, so make sure you go check that out.
Don't just make sawdust, make it mighty.
All right, so Darius, this Play Button Award, it's on its way over to you. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. And just want to tell you, it was a blast to make this. I had a lot of fun with it. And also, I want to thank all the other creators that were a part of this collaboration. And in no particular order, we have Cardinal Woodworks, Friday Workshop, the Weekend Workshop, McMath Woodworks, Mighty Sawdust, and 2 Elm Builds. So be sure to go check out their channels. Links to their YouTube channels and social media pages will be in the description below. So go check them out, show them some love. And if you want to check out the playlist for this collaboration, make sure you click the link here.